Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel and welcome back again to another video. I've got another video for you guys today. How are you all doing today? Hope you all are doing fine. If you are new to my channel and you are watching me for the first time, you are kindly welcome. Please do me a favor by subscribing, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a video you will be notified, guys. Okay, I appreciate you all so much. Thanks for your support. Okay guys, my baby saying that they disturb me today, not be small. So I want to talk about something, guys, but my child is hungry, my baby is hungry, so I want to go and make her food so that when I'm giving her the food I will gist you guys what happened last week. Okay, keep watching if you want to know. Keep watching, I'll be right back. So guys, I am back. So I went to make my baby's food. I'm going to be giving her at the same time telling you guys what happened last week. It happened to my husband. Okay, I've never experienced this before. It's my first time of experiencing this kind of thing. Okay, what actually happened is that last week my husband went for shopping. He went to African store to go and get some food stuff for the house. So when he arrived there, so guys, my husband went to Paris last week. As I was saying, he went to Paris last week. He went to buy food stuff. Okay, he went to buy African food stuff from Paris. Okay, we are in Paris though. We are in Paris, but we are in Ile-de-France. Paris, Ile-de-France. So yeah, come, let me carry you too. So we are in Paris, Ile-de-France. Okay, so guys, what happened was that when he went to Paris, he went to go and get food stuff, like I said. Then after buying everything that he went there for, the only thing that was left is turkey. So he went there to go and buy turkey. He went to where they sell meat, all this I don't know what they call it in English, boucherie. That's what they call it in France here. So guys, they call it boucherie. So when my husband arrived there, he bought turkey, a carton of turkey. Then the MasterCard he used to pay didn't work. They said the card was invalid because the payment was not accepted, but the money has left his account already. So my husband now asked them that but the money have left his account, why is the payment not accepted? So they now said that they don't know, the card is not from France. It's not France, as in the bank is not from France. So maybe that's the reason why they did not accept the payment method. So but it was MasterCard. Okay, it's MasterCard that he used to pay. So my husband said, okay, what are they going to do about it? Because he cannot leave the money like that. The money cannot just go like that and all that. So my husband now called me and explained to me what happened, and I told him that he should not leave there, that he should wait for them to answer him. They are going to give him the meat, or they give him his money. Okay, so he now said that's what he have told them, but they asked him to come back in 2 days time, after 24 hours. So I now said, okay, 24 hours is a bit far though. My husband have bought his ticket for the week. Okay, so I now said, okay, since you have your ticket for the week, I think you should wait and you will go back there for 24 hours. They said, because why they said that is that they said the money is going to come back to his account. They said take. So they said the money is going to come back to his account after the 24 hours. If the money refused to come back, it should come back to them. So my husband went there after 24 hours to go and see them and tell them that the money did not enter his account. So he wants to know why and all that. So then I said that even them, they have not yet received the money, and the money is not showing that it has come back to my husband's account. So what are they going to do? They said they cannot give my husband the turkey and all that. They cannot give my husband the turkey, that my husband should go back again and come back after another 24 hours. I was like, wow, this is somehow stressful and all that. I said, no, my husband should not leave, that he should stay there. He now said, okay, no problem, he will accept to come back again after 24 hours. That's making 2 days. So my husband went there, which is today. My husband went there and he went there to go and tell them that the money has not yet entered his account. He told them that the money has not yet entered his account, that what are they going to do again, because this is making it the second time he's coming here. Okay, she doesn't want me to carry him, and he's seeing me that I'm carrying that. Look at her, that mouth, sir. That is Ada is even throwing up here. She doesn't want me to carry him. Guys, and I tell my husband that 24 hours is a bit far, that how is he going to go there, as in the place is far. Okay, so I said, okay, since you have bought a ticket for the week, let him just wait for 24 hours. So today make it the 24 hours plus the one that you have already went there before. Okay, everything is now 48 hours. So he has gone there and he called me back just now and said that they have decided to give him the turkey. So the reason why I'm talking about this thing is because I've never experienced it before. Okay, I've never experienced this before. So since they have given him the turkey, and I said, thank God. Okay, we are not going to let that money go like that. Okay, what we are actually talking about, this money is just 25 euro. Okay, even if it's just 25 euro, 25 euro is big. So I don't want to dash them that money. I told my husband to wait. I've been pressuring my husband to go back there, pressuring him, pushing him. Because my husband, I know say my husband will leave that money for them, because the place is far. Due to the distance, my husband will want to leave the money for them. So I decided that since you have already gotten your ticket for the week, so your ticket is still valid. So I think you should just go there and get the turkey, or you get the money. You're not going to leave there without the turkey or the money. So finally they called, and my husband called and said that they have accepted to give him back the turkey, as in to give him the turkey that he paid for, that was rejected. Okay, so he didn't pay any fee, he didn't pay any money before they give him the turkey. A carton of turkey, carton for that matter, not be one, no, not be kilo, carton of turkey for 25 euros. So I said, no, I will not leave that money. That money will not go like that. So guys, this thing is somehow funny for me, because the way I was like pressuring my husband to go there, it looked like as if I'm a stingy woman. And so guys, I decided to share this little experience with you guys. So tell me what you think about this video. Okay, if you have experienced this before, tell me and leave your comments. Let me see if you have ever paid with your MasterCard or your Visa card or any payment method, and the thing is showing that the money rejected, as in the bank rejected the money and the money left your account at the same time. So guys, I appreciate you all for watching the video. Thanks to you all, thanks for your support and everything. May God bless you all so much. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you always get to receive every of our posts. Okay, we appreciate you all so much. My baby is crying. Okay, let me go and carry her. They really disturb me well, you know, it's you. So guys, thank you all so much. I appreciate you all. Thanks for your time, your support and everything. So I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.